Hi everyone, welcome back to Stu's Old Cars and thanks for watching. In this video I'm going to be stripping the paint off on the rear quarter panel, even though I've already done most of it, but I'll just show you what I've been using. As you can see here, got a few various things. We've got some poly disc, which is really good for just stripping the paint, not damaging the metal underneath. And then we've got some wire brush bits and pieces to get into the corners, and then we've got wire brush bit to get into any edges and stuff. So I'll show you a little bit of that, and then after I've done that I'm going to be epoxy priming this side of the car, or most of it anyway. So let's see how we get on. Just quickly before I start stripping the paint on the outside, I've been in there with my little power file sander, whatever you want to call it, all the way along as far as I can get, just to clean this up a bit. I don't want to take too much off anyway, but I will seam seal it. But I'm going to squirt some epoxy up in there as well. I've done there, and I've done inside of there over there as well. But yeah, right, let's get back to what I'm meant to be doing. Right, so I've got a poly strip disc in here. So I'm just going to do a little bit of this just to show you. I'm going to do all up the pillar, up to sort of the roof line, but I'm not going to do the whole roof. Just so we can get this all sealed up. But yeah, we'll just go down here and just round the edge a little bit. The main thing is just don't get it too hot, because it won't damage the paint, but it will warp it. So I'll sort of go over it gradually, and then sort of keep moving from one place to another until it's all stripped off. This isn't actually quite so bad, because it's had a new quarter, it's only got like the primer and then the top coat. But up here there's like, I think there's the original primer, then there's yellow, then there's another primer, then there's yellow again, and then after the yellow then there's another coat of primer followed by the green. So there's a lot of layers on the top, and it wasn't prepped very well, which is why it's all peeling off. Hence why I need to strip it right back to nothing. I just keep feeling the paddle just to make sure it's not getting too hot. Once I'm not, like here, there's still the odd bits, because I should go over it all with 80 grit before I do the epoxy anyway. At least we're not pulling any rust. Oh, well, I think you get the idea of that anyway. Now I need to carry on and put this on. That's just sort of a little quick bit just to show you. I'm right by the door anyway, so it's fairly well ventilated. Yeah, sort of round the pillars and stuff. We'll sort of round the drip rail. I'll get in there with that and clean that up. All like the edges and that will probably end up going in with a wire brush. I might film a little bit of that in a minute, but we'll see. Right, I'll be back. Right, so that's that all stripped now. I've stripped it all, been over it all with 80 grit. And now I'm going to epoxy it. I don't really need to mask anything up inside because there's nothing left in there. Just got a couple of little bits I need to chuck out of the way. So yeah, mix some epoxy out and then I'm going to crack on with it. Alright, here we go then. Oh, it's on the wall. Oh, dear. Right, I'm going to let that tack off for like 10 minutes, quarter of an hour, then I'll give it another coat. And then that'll be good enough for now, that'll be that protected. Right, coat number 2. Go for it. Right, I think that's it. Right, I'll be back in a sec. Right, that's me about done again for the day. Didn't do too bad though. We've got it all in epoxy now. So I will spin the camera around just to show you before I go. Yeah, so it ain't come out too bad. Obviously I Need to fill over the top of it, which is the whole idea, but it should keep the rust at bay until then. But it's all kind of covered now. That's exactly what I wanted to do. I've just done it up to the line in the roof, because I've still got to strip the roof and do that as well yet. It's difficult trying to know the best way to do it so that I don't leave too much bare metal. But anyway, for this time, thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.